Hello and welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. Let's take a look at the Majorette Farm series. It consists of 6 single vehicles. This is the VW Amarok. It also has the Mercedes-Benz Z-Cross in it and 4 tractors. Let's take a look at the Amarok. Get a nice picture of the vehicle in action. This is the back. So it's got tractor service on it, 24 hours. This one has suspension. It's got an opening hood or bonnet with some engine detail underneath. Got lensed headlights, of course, separate piece for the light bar and a plastic box in the back to cover the bed. Taillights, VW emblem, and the sliding trailer hitch that I've said before you have to be careful with sliding it back and forth because it can break easily, this pin here, so you have to be careful. This is in 1/65 scale. I don't know if this comes off, but it doesn't seem to be. I've got 2 of the tractors in this 4-pack, together with 2 trailers, some farming equipment that the tractors can pull along. So this is the first one. It's a Massey Ferguson 8737. Doesn't say a scale on it. Oh, and it's got articulating wheels in the front. That's cool. Didn't know that. So these move actually. That's pretty cool. You can actually turn the vehicle. Doesn't have a big. It does have a big turning circle, but it does kind of work. So the red parts are metal and the rest is plastic. It's got the nice detailed cabin. Scale wise, let's compare to the Amarok. I think it's kinda okay. Maybe it's a little bit small. Maybe it should be a little bit bigger compared with the car. But I think it's kinda okay. So let's put the trailer behind it. There you go. So this is the Flegel poly line, I think it says. It's hard to read, yeah, poly line. Yes, it says it in here too. So it's got a metal base. The rest of it is plastic. And then the other one, this is a Valtra, also has the moving front wheels. Valtra T4. And then a trailer for this one. Well, you can choose which one you attach to it, of course. There you go. This is pretty stiff, but maybe that's supposed to be like that because you can't really move around because there's a square piece there. Nice plow. Then we got two sets here. This is the farm set. This is actually in a trailer set packaging, and this is the farm play set. This is actually in a transporter kind of packaging. So these are two other lines that Majorette has, the trailer set line and the transporter set line, and here they both have a farm version of it. So this is the first one with the Mercedes-Benz Z-Ross and a trailer with some wood logs on it. Let's see if I can open it like this. That's not going to work. So I just let it open here on the side. So we got a rubber band. Let's try to take that off. There you go. So again, an articulating piece here. I think you can slide these in, or maybe not. Yep, you can. So like that. You can unload them to the ground. That's cool. So this is a well-known truck or rig that is used in many other different Majorette series. So just the cabin is metal, the green part, the rest is plastic. And then we got the trailer. This feels pretty heavy. So the dark gray part is all metal. So also these things here on the side, here in the back, this is all metal. It's just the plastic part here on the bottom that is yeah, plastic, as I said. So these are a little bit longer, these wood logs, than these are. And like that, you can throw it around. And then the big set, well, it's not the biggest set they have. They also have a big farm play set with animals and stuff. The only vehicle in there that I would like to have is a milk truck on a MAN truck. But you know, didn't want to buy the whole set for just that one vehicle. And this is a also a MAN TGX XXL, a low bed. No, it's not going to work either. Let's do it the other way. So this comes apart, and then you have a little stand here. Whoops, careful now. Okay, like that. So let's look at the COE first. MAN TGX 187 scale. And this is the class Xerion 5000. This also has the moving front wheels. That's cool, but they all have a moving feature. Also, you can also add a trailer on there. It fits nicely on there. and this will hold it on there because it's fixated very nicely when you put it in the upwards position, so it won't fall off. Yep, works very well. But that's not all. Majorette also had some, I don't think they make these anymore, I'm not sure, some bigger ones. Farm Life Team. Now you could also find these, there's some tape there, I need my knife. You can also find these as packaged as a Dickie Toys packaging. So, depending on what makes them choose to put it in a Majorette or a Dickie Toys packaging. So these are a little bit bigger than the other ones, as you can see. They also have the moving feature, and these don't seem to be licensed. It just says Farm 2012, Majorette, the address, made in China, the production date. So the red part is all metal and this is plastic on top. And you have a little horse trailer here, all plastic. And the other one, and it shows all the other ones here in the back. So again, Farm 2012, it's the same one I think as the other one, yeah, just a different color. It's got a kind of a stake trailer or stake bed trailer. And then the last one is an orange one. Here the stickers are coming undone. Same color, same vehicle, different color, orange, and a milk tank. Now scale wise, I think these are a little bit too big. If you compare it to the vehicle, yeah, that's slightly too big I think. So it's either a little bit too small or a little bit too big compared to the Majorette vehicles. Let's put the red one behind it, it's the same color. And to finish off, for those of you who are still watching, I also have an old version of a tractor by Majorette. It's even bigger. It says made in France. It's all metal. 1/36 scale. Also has the moving wheels that you can move around by turning the headlights. So it has a possibility to attach a trailer, and it's got a sticker in the front for the headlights and the grille. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.